Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ. It comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Leather bed is included, such as premium leather, heated ventilated seats, power sliding sunroof, heated rear seating, power adjustable pedals, lane keep assist, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, you're going to have this black interior with paneling coupled to storage at the bottom, equipped with seat memory, as well as power locks, mirrors, and windows, so the chrome accent and the wood accents. Black running boards here, and these heated ventilated power adjustable seats. And left side will be your vents with park assist, lane keep assist, and power adjustable pedals, with your 2- and 4-wheel drive lighting and integrated brake controller. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. The right side being voice recognition and odometer cluster control. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, as well as your audio, phone connectivity, navigation, and other settings. Let's push to start, classic column truck shifter, and onto the infotainment. So you got your Bluetooth connectivity with navigation included here. You also have a CD player on the bottom with tri-zone climate controls and the heated ventilated seats. A little extra storage, 2 USB ports, and center console storage. Lots in there. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, window chrome all the way across, speakers and vents up top. And then here you can access your reading lamps, and as well as your power liftgate controls and the power sliding sunroof. So you have these 22-inch wheels on Bridgestone dual tires with the chrome mirror caps and paint match keyless entry door handles. The LTZ badge there, deep tint rear glass in the back. Got the black badging here. Apologize for the wind. And here we got the third row power folding seats. Folds right down. You got cup holders and storage on each side, as well as extra storage down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, you got the speakers with more storage, built-in cup holders, and power windows there. Get into the second row, you got the captain seats, lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger driver's side, with rear climate controls, rear heated seating, a 12-volt, and an AC wall port there. The lamps at the top, and you got the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ, equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as heated ventilated leather seats, lane keep assist, integrated brake controller, power sliding sunroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.